Welcome to Autos Insight, where we bring you expert tips and practical advice for real-world car owners. In today's video, we're talking about ceramic coatings and which ones are the best for daily drivers. If you use your car every day, commuting, shopping, school runs, and weekend drives, you need protection that can stand up to the elements without demanding constant reapplication or high-end professional treatment. Ceramic coatings have become a popular solution because they offer long-lasting protection, exceptional shine, and water-repellent properties that keep your car cleaner for longer. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one for your daily driver? Let's start with Q Squared Mos EVO. It's a professional-grade ceramic coating that's now available in consumer-friendly kits. It provides a thick, highly durable layer of protection that lasts up to 2 years with proper care. It bonds strongly to paint, resists UV rays, chemicals, bird droppings, and water spots, making it ideal for cars parked outdoors and exposed to all kinds of weather. Next, we have CarPro C Quartz UK 3.0, which is a top choice among detailing professionals and DIY users alike. Known for its strong chemical resistance and deep gloss, this coating offers up to 2 years of protection. It excels in cooler climates and provides outstanding hydrophobic performance, meaning water beads and rolls off the paint easily, taking dirt with it. If you want a more user-friendly application with great protection, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating is one of the best ceramic sprays on the market for daily drivers. It's not a full ceramic coating, but it uses SiO2 technology to mimic many of the same benefits. You simply spray it on and wipe it off, and it can last up to 6 months. For a car that gets used daily and washed often, this is a convenient and budget-friendly solution. Another excellent option is Adam's UV Ceramic Paint Coating Kit. What sets it apart is its patented UV tracer technology that allows you to see where you've applied the coating using a UV light. This makes the process foolproof, especially for beginners. The coating provides 9H hardness, a slick finish, and strong hydrophobic properties, with durability up to 2 years. And for those wanting a balance of performance and price, Ethos Ceramic Wax PIO is a hybrid product that applies like wax but protects like a ceramic. It offers excellent gloss, water repellency, and ease of application. While it won't last as long as a pro-level ceramic coating, it's perfect for keeping your daily driver shiny and protected with minimal effort. So, what's the right ceramic coating for your daily driver? If you want long-term protection and are comfortable with a more involved application, Q Squared Mos EVO or C Quartz UK 3.0 are excellent. If ease and convenience matter most, Turtle Wax Ceramic Spray or Ethos Ceramic Wax PIO are fantastic for regular use and quick reapplication. No matter which you choose, surface preparation is key. Make sure your car is properly washed, decontaminated, and polished before applying any coating to get the best bonding and durability. Ceramic coatings help reduce washing time, protect against UV and chemical damage, and maintain your car's resale value, making them a smart investment for anyone who drives daily. Thanks for watching Autos Insight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car care advice, product reviews, and automotive guides.